Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to create Play Store account in 2025 using your smartphone. Now to do that, just open the Play Store app, then tap on sign in. Now just enter your lock screen PIN. Now just select create account. Now just choose for my personal use. Now in the first name section, just enter your first name. And in the last name section, just enter your last name. Now this step is optional. Now once you enter your first and last name, just tap on next. Now just enter your date of birth, and from here you can select your gender. Then tap on next. Now from here you can pick a Gmail address from the given Gmail address options, or you can tap on create your own Gmail and you can create your own Gmail. Now once you create your Gmail account, just tap on next. Now as you can see, this username is taken. Now you can enter a custom number. Now just create a password for your Gmail account. Now once you create a password for your Gmail account, just tap on next. Now as you can see, this is your Gmail account. Now just tap on next. Scroll down and tap on I agree. Tap on more and tap on accept. Now just select accept. Now as you can see, this is how you can create a Play Store account in 2025 using your smartphone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.